Welcome back to Brewing Diamonds channel. We're going to be doing some weird stuff today. So we're going to be moving you guys. We're going to move you guys up here real quick.
Guys, come here. Look at my room.
Yeah, let's go look at his room.
This, my room.
Here, right?
Look, this.
No, you can flip it. Hey guys, so we're going to flip it.
Look, guys. Zach. Oh.
That's my brother's fish.
And this, my brother.
This is his fish. They're two little guppies.
And my brother freezing food.
If you guys can't see them, I'm so sorry. I'll try to make you guys see them.
I'm super kind.
Good job. Yeah, they're super tiny because they're guppies.
Yeah.
So I love you guys.
Guys, y'all can see my brother.
You want to see my snake?
Look, guys. Zach.
That's Myrtle.
Zach. Oh. Zach. Myrtle. Zach.
Want to see my snake?
Zach is him, Nate. Okay.
So it's not out right now, but we're gonna put him up.
Put him out.
Can you guys see his redness?
Yeah. I'm kind of big.
It's right there.
Hey. Hey, you can check.
Oh, sorry.
Yes, I him redness. You take him out.
Take him out right now. So there he is. His redness. He's right in that little area right there. And here's my brother again. I'm gonna go and
Guys. We're doing this. But we do this. Now let's do it. Kennel. We do it. Bye, guys.
love you.